flathead
This
screwdriver.
is a CountryBoyModz
Push it
production.
all the way in between that slot. You heard that? What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing today? We back with another one today. Sorry, I've been out at the beach, as you can see. Got the beach chairs out there, right there. But today we're gonna be working on removing these tail lights from the driver and passenger side. So pretty much what you want to do right here, you got that tab. You want to have your flathead screwdriver around, and you want to remove that tab. Once you get that one, then you go hit the one at the bottom right here. As you can see down there, you pull that out, lay that down in the trunk. And the next thing you're gonna do, you see I already started. You want to pull this down. It's gonna bend just like that. Now that you got those pieces out of there, and you want to be able to get you a good view in there. Like I said, up in the trunk, this last fit product there, bright. I need a flashlight. So, I mean, this video just showed a good example of how stuff is. So pretty much, right here we got our 10mm bolts. So if you don't have an extender, anything like that, you want to get your 10mm socket, because with this, that extender does not go all the way in. So see this bolt long right here? So what I'm gonna have to do, you know, put my finger there. I already loosened it up. But if you do that, because they're not that tight on it. If you do it like that without pushing that all the way in, you're good. And you do the same thing at the bottom. Twist to your left, actually up, which will be the same. So you take those off once you get them loose, and you just twist them out, just like that. Twist them out like that now. And see, you got your two screws exposed. You look over here in the back. Those are the two tabs everybody be talking about. Oh man, I can't never get it out. So as you can see, there's no bug to pull out right here or nothing like that. So everything pretty much inside that house. So the next little neat trick we got, we're going to install our cards right here. Now a lot of y'all probably trying to figure out, why are you installing these cards right there? I'm gonna show y'all why. Because right here is that point where you need to get to get this tail light out. So what you're gonna do, all right, now that you got your cards in between the slot there, you got the screws on loose, you got 3 cards. All you need is 3 cards. 3 cards is a flathead screwdriver. So the first 2 cards you want to leave at the front, but that last card you want to leave at the back. Now with the flathead screwdriver, you want to push it all the way in between that slot. You heard that? And if you don't get the pop on the first time, you just want to lean back like that, just a little bit. But you should get that pop for it to come out. Now all you gotta do, remove your card. There go your gap. Now that you got your gap, I'm gonna show y'all again on the passenger side when we get to that side. But so we're gonna change that out. We got the tail lights out. So we're gonna, and I'm gonna set this stand up. That way we can go ahead and get this ball game going. First, before we do that, I want to show y'all the fact.